Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add apps to desktop Windows 11. So look here, now I'm already on apps. So at first I'm delete. Okay, I'm delete my Discord. Okay, now I'm at again Discord apps. So click on to start, search it to Discord. So look here, my Discord apps. When I'm try to add, drag mouse but not add. So click on to mouse left side, open file location, then you get file location, Discord file location. Just drag your mouse and just place. Okay, now successfully add apps to desktop. So you can easily use this method, add any apps.